How to use ChatGPT to get Excel templates. Just go ahead and use this GPT, the Excel template finder. If you have any need for a template, like let's imagine that you want a basic monthly budget, then you only need it to tell that you want this template, and then it will provide you the link to download. If you click on the link, then a file will start to be downloaded, and it will give you a basic monthly budget template in Excel. There are other features to get different templates. This is the one that I was mentioning on the simple monthly budget, for example. But you can also get things like a bank reconciliation template or a basic balance sheet template. Same thing, you just need to tell it and then you click in here to download the template. This is how you would download the monthly reconciliation template. You will just click on it and then it will appear on downloads. And this will be the reconciliation one. Now, how did I create this? Well, go and show it to you. If I go to edit the GPT, I basically gave it instructions in order to be an AI assistant specialized in providing links to download different Excel templates for different use cases, like the monthly budgets, balance sheet, monthly bank reconciliation, or a finance charge invoice. Then I uploaded the knowledge with all of these templates by using the upload files capability of GPTs. Then I enabled web search, Canvas, DALL-E, and code interpreter. This one is an important one in order for it to help users download the templates. And as an additional setting, I disabled it to use the conversation data to improve OpenAI models. Now, after that, I just needed to do share, and I selected GPT Store so that everyone could access this GPT.